In this lesson, we'll learn how to create custom sub-procedures within Excel. What this means is how we create a module from scratch, the structure of the standard subroutine, and why we create them in this way. In order to create a blank sub, we right-click on the Modules folder, go to Insert, and then Module. This will create a blank module that you can rename. The first thing that we'll look at is the structuring of a subroutine. Generally speaking, there's no one way to create a subroutine. For the most part, very basic subs will have a couple of statements in the range of 5 to 10, and will therefore have no need of structure. There's no need to structure a smaller short subs such as these. However, when we get into a larger amount of code, we need to structure it so that it is efficient and easy to read. The first part of a proper subroutine is in the definitions. We have discussed this section a couple of times throughout this course. This area of the code is located at the very top of our module. It contains definitions, declarations, and the like, so that all of our variables are accounted for data type wise. This allows for easy readability, as spacing these throughout the code is inefficient and makes for messy reading. The next part of our code is all of our executable statements, the ones doing the actual work of the sub. There may be multiple blocks where you're calling different subs or conducting loops, if statements, etc. The very last part of the custom sub procedure is to close out the variables that may have names which cross over with other modules or subroutines for sake of efficiency and keeping the memory clean. The purpose of wrapping up our sub is for efficiency, as it is entirely possible that we're running the sub in sequence of a number of other subs. Therefore, we want to close out variable names that we may be using or variables that hold a large amount of data to clear memory to allow for our code to run even faster. That is why we find ourselves using and setting variables to nothing, closing the user form, etc. Once this work has been done, we then end the sub and move on to whatever else we want to do within our program. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.